Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about how to pump milk comfortably when you are new to pumping. For many mothers, the first few times can feel a little confusing, but once you understand the process, it can become a simple and helpful routine. Before starting, always make sure your hands and pump parts are clean. Hygiene is very important when expressing milk. When everything is clean and prepared, the process usually feels more comfortable. It is also helpful to sit in a relaxed and comfortable position. When your body feels calm, milk flow often becomes easier. Choosing a quiet place where you feel relaxed can help your body respond naturally. Before pumping, some mothers gently massage the breast for a short time. Light massage can help prepare the body and may support smoother milk flow. Taking a few calm breaths can also help the body relax. When you begin pumping, start slowly and keep a steady rhythm. There is no need to rush the process. A gentle and natural rhythm often makes pumping more comfortable. Sometimes milk may not appear immediately, and that is completely normal. The body may take a few minutes to respond. Staying patient and relaxed can help the process become easier. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.